How to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now tap on edit profile. Now find page, tap on it. Now tap on continue. Now click on login to Facebook. Now tap on connect. Select your page, tap on connect. Now wait for some time. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.